How do you feel?
Excellent. Excited.
How do you feel?
Surprised.
Surprised?
I feel excited to paint it next week.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Have you made a Ganesha before? You have? Was it so beautiful?
It was a good workshop. It started with a meditation. And I felt really good during making the Ganpati from Shadu Mati. It was a really good experience.
Hi, my name is Kadambari. I'm 28 years old. I work in operations and app direct. It felt so much fun. I'm so much satisfied with whatever it's been done. It actually felt like a therapy kind of meditation, and I super loved it.